Well, we are just getting back from route number 1, day 1, 200 miles done. And my frame cracked all the way through. Both sides. So the chain and the brake stay is the only thing that held me together.
What? Damn, what you doing? Fucking jumping ditches or what?
I don't know.
Yeah, and we can get this thing in my frame jig, and we might have it the way that's looking. We'll probably have to pull that whole fucking transmission out, but we can get in there in that frame jig and build us a plate that comes up, bolts to the, or tack welds to the fucking bottom of that transmission plate. That way, all that shit, axle plate, neck, transmission plate, everything stays square. And dude, I'd like to go in and cut all that bullshit out and even rebuild the rear transmission plate cross member. That way you get rid of that fucking casting and all that bullshit.
Talking approach.
Let's get it out and throw this baby up on the roof. Back looking good. More. Hit the front brake, hit the front brake. Fuck a PM brake, we got an AJ front brake.
Easy. Keep pumping.
Work for all kinds of crazy shit.
We'll work for gravel.
Real fast for grass.
Alright, so that is the culprit. So the frame has snapped right here and cracked on the other side, same spot. So the plan is we're going to cut from here, cut off the leg there, and redo all that.
I'm thinking we can, somebody needs to get the front end. We can lift the back off the front end, move the front end, and then start sliding the frame jig onto the bike. Maybe get the front end off of it. Boom, there we go. Ease her on down. That's alright, it's on that little stand. Let me see if we can get that stand out from under. Hey Jay, you want to grab that weird little stand? Quickie stand, we'll call it the quickie. Alright, now we need to set this rig right over here on this wood.
Alright. Who's grabbing the wood?
The wood's sitting on the ground. We're just going to lift the bike up, boom, set it right over here. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
God dang.
Woo. You guys do great work.
Who posted the video?
Southern Throwdown.
At the bottom of the frame.
And I think it might have been the Mr. Photography guy, but Southern Throwdown reposted.
God damn, Jeff. Y'all still hold on.
I got it. Just moving whatever you got to do. We're on the middle. No pressure, right?
No pressure.
Draw my good buddy's chopper on the ground. No big deal.
Love you that big.
Think about it.
I will happily throw my back out to catch this fucker. Alright, got it?
Yep.
You're just touching that brace.
Alright, slide it back just there. On down.
There you go, looks like this.
Cool.
It's like a whole interview just to order pizzas online. That's why I just call and
Over here.
they want your fucking blood type and goddamn extension option.
They're not really doing trying to get it.
Thank you for your order.
You may now answer more questions before you pick up your pizza.
Right?
What do you
It doesn't give me like a time.
Survey before we clear. Come deliver.
It sits at the top. Oh, it just popped out.
If you'd have told me a month ago I'd be taking a bandsaw to the spirit of vengeance, I'd have called you a fucking liar. Not even 1/8 wall. That's a swing set pipe.
Wow.
Hey, Jay, you're over here risking it, man.
Whoa.
Damn.
You gotta keep those as souvenirs.
Son of a.
You're alive.
That's like 16. Yeah. That's like 16 part page.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't find anything at the junkyard at those Stinkies. So we want to see if this 1-inch DLM will work.
This is what he's talking about. He's going to shave down the inside for the slug to fit nicely in there. And the rest of it's going to be a little thicker.
That's super good.
Watch out, dogs.
And they walked out.
That's his mark.
Sweet.
What year is it?
1969, South Bend.
That's the year Nick was born. Whoa. Dogs biting the wood off.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, I think we should do that.
Wow, wow, dang, look at that sled.
Yeah, we can go poop through most of those to get there. Get us there. You don't go all the way through the motion.
Let's see. So, what are we at? 30, about 33.
Here's one. Look at that, baby.
Oh yeah.
Now we need to cut this joker.
That's one sexy leg. Too bad we didn't get it from Stinkies. We could have said that was a stinky leg. Holy cannoli.
You're paying for my 20 years of experience.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, it's the how long it takes me to get to learn this shit. Like I always say, what do you do for a living? Well, I'm a fucking,
Now you can see it all together.
An accountant. I'm like, well, how long did it take you to become an accountant?